Imagine a world where two different species of humans walk the earth, one of them destined to thrive, the other to vanish into the mists of history. What if the ultimate battle for survival wasn't fought with weapons or wits, but through the most intimate of connections? Could it be that the mysterious disappearance of the Neanderthals was influenced as much by what happened in the shadows as by the battles fought in the light of day? As we dive into the fascinating world of evolutionary anthropology, we'll explore the explosive intersection of war, love, and survival between Neanderthals and modern humans. What truly led to the extinction of our ancient cousins? Was it the harshness of climate change, the relentless competition for resources, or the potent force of interspecies intimacy? Follow every detail of this video. You will be amazed by the incredible details and an unexpected ending. A long history of conflict. The relationship between Neanderthals and Homo sapiens was marked by a long history of conflict as the two species competed for survival. First, as Homo sapiens migrated out of Africa, they encountered Neanderthals who had been thriving in Europe and Asia for hundreds of thousands of years. This encounter was far from peaceful, with archaeological evidence indicating frequent violent confrontations over scarce resources like food and shelter. Second, Neanderthals, with their robust physiques and cold climate adaptations, were formidable opponents, but Homo sapiens had the advantage of advanced tools and superior social organization. Finally, this prolonged struggle for dominance likely played a crucial role in the Neanderthals' decline, weakening their populations and making them more susceptible to additional pressures like climate change and disease. Sexual dynamics between species. Amidst the backdrop of conflict, sexual relationships between Neanderthals and Homo sapiens was a strange story in their shared history. Genetic studies have revealed that around 1% of the DNA in non-African modern human populations is derived from Neanderthals, indicating that interbreeding was not only possible but relatively common. This interbreeding introduced new genetic traits into both populations, potentially leading to hybrid vigor, where offspring inherited diverse characteristics that enhanced adaptability and resilience. However, research suggests that as Neanderthals engaged in sexual activity with Homo sapiens, the frequency of reproduction within their own species likely decreased. A study published in Nature found evidence of reduced fertility in male Neanderthal human hybrids, which could have further diminished Neanderthal population growth. This reduction in intra-species mating, coupled with possible fertility issues, may have significantly contributed to their eventual extinction. Interestingly, some anthropological traits from Neanderthals have persisted in modern humans. For example, people in Western Europe, Eastern Europe, and parts of Central Asia have been found to carry Neanderthal-derived immune system genes. Countries like France, Germany, the United Kingdom, and Poland are examples where these genetic traits are more prevalent. Additionally, countries like Russia, Finland, Sweden, Norway, and the Baltic states e.g. Estonia, Latvia, Lithuania carry genes associated with skin pigmentation and hair texture that are inherited from Neanderthals, reflecting adaptations to colder climates. Lastly, research has also linked Neanderthal DNA to certain facial features, such as a wider nose, which may have been advantageous in regulating breath in colder environments. These characteristics are a testament to the lasting impact of Neanderthal genetics on modern human populations. Beyond biology, these relationships had far-reaching social and cultural implications, sometimes fostering cooperation and alliances between the two species. Finally, Homo sapiens is the winner. Neanderthals began to decline around 40,000 years ago, with the last known populations surviving in areas like the Iberian Peninsula, particularly in what is now modern-day Spain. As their numbers dwindled, largely due to competition with Homo sapiens, changing climates, and genetic assimilation through interbreeding, Homo sapiens continued to expand and dominate. Despite their fall, Neanderthals left a lasting legacy in the tools they developed. Many of these tools, such as advanced stone scrapers and specialized hunting implements, were adopted and further refined by Homo sapiens, who carried them forward as they spread across the globe. This period marks the final chapter of the Neanderthals and the beginning of Homo sapiens' global dominance. As their legacy lives on in our genes, we are reminded of a powerful truth: in the survival of the fittest, it is not the strongest or the most intelligent who will survive, but those who can best manage change. Leon C. Medinson. The story of Neanderthals is a testament to the power of adaptation and resilience. If you found this exploration thought-provoking, we invite you to join our community by subscribing, liking, and sharing this video. Your support fuels our journey to uncover the stories of our past that continue to shape our future.